Hey, my cousins, Barry Hilton again here. I am the Metabo. You know, Metabo are the leaders in cordless technology. One battery, one charger, one platform, a multitude of applications. The 8 amp hour battery now gives enough power to cut on these stationary wood tools more than 200 cuts at a time on one charge. Let me just show you how easy it is. The power is incredible. Just cut like that, no problem. The batteries work on over 100 tools, including, of course, the miter saw here, the saber, the multi-tool, not forgetting the vacuum cleaner, the jigsaw, the planer, and the circular saw. This circular saw is so good that Skillsaw copied this design 47 years ago. Not forgetting this brilliant table saw here, all battery powered. And don't forget, 100 or so tools can work on the battery power. Metabo, my folks. One battery, one charger, one platform. Multitude of opportunities. My cousins.